Yes, children, now welcome back to the next part. So here we are continuing our chapter trigonometry. So let us proceed. In the parallelogram, find the distance between the top and bottom side and calculate the area of the parallelogram. So here you can see a parallelogram with the sides 4 centimeter and 2 centimeter. So they are asking us to find the area of this parallelogram. So for that, even the angle is given as 45 degree. It is already given here 45 degree. So what is the area of the parallelogram formula? We know it is base into height. So first we have to find the base. Base is already given as 4 centimeter. Then we have to find the height. And also they are asking us to find the distance between the top and bottom height. That is, what is the distance between top and bottom height? This is the distance between the top and bottom. So here you can see that if I draw a line here from this vertex, if I draw a line, this becomes a right triangle, okay, like this, a right triangle. And what is this angle? It will be 90 degree. If this is 45 degree, how much is this angle? This is also 45 degree. And for this triangle, which side is given? Yes, this side is given, that is opposite to 90 degree is given. And what combination is this one? We have 45 degree is to 45 degree is to 90 degree, and we know the ratio is 1 is to root 2. So what is the side opposite to 90 degree given? 2. Then who is the head of 2? Root 2. So let us see how we can find this one. 1 into 2 divided by root 2. Here also 1 into 2 divided by root 2. So how much is that one? 1 into 2 is 2. 2 by root 2. Here also 1 into 2 is 2. 2 by root 2. Here it is 2. Now as I told you in the previous class, whenever by root 2 is coming, it's better you change that root in the denominator. For that, how you have to do is 2 by root 2 into root 2 by root 2. Here also 2 by root 2 into root 2 by root 2. Here 2 itself. So how much is 2 into root 2? It is 2 root 2 divided by how much is root 2 into root 2? 2. Here also 2 into root 2 is 2 root 2 divided by root 2 into root 2 is 2 only. Okay, so here 2 and 2 can be cancelled. Here also 2 and 2 can be cancelled. Now what do you have remaining? Root 2 and 2. So what is the side opposite to 45 degree? It is root 2. So I am marking here root 2. Okay, first let me mark here root 2. So and what is the opposite to other 45 degree also? Root 2 only. So now let us mark these things in the figure. So here is root 2. Here also it is root 2. So what is the height of the figure we got? Yes, we got the height of the figure as root 2 centimeter. Then what is the area? Area is equal to base into height. So base is 4 centimeter and the height is root 2. So the answer is 4 root 2 centimeter square. This is the area of the parallelogram. Okay. Now moving on to the second figure, same question. Okay, second figure, another parallelogram with 2 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and the angle between them is 60 degree. Sometimes this angle won't be given. They will mention in the question that the angle between the two sides is 60 degree. So you have to mark here 60 degree. Okay, so here also we know how to find the distance between the top bottom and the lower bottom. So this is like this. So we know that is 90 degrees. So I am drawing here. Okay, so this is 90 degree, here it is 60 degree, then how much is this angle? 30 degree, and they have already given you the side opposite to 90 degrees too. So let us write the combinations. So 30, 60, 90, 1 is to root 3 is to 2. So here 90 opposite is 2. It's already here, so we don't have to write anything more. Then what is opposite to 30 degree? It is 1, and opposite to 60 degree is root 3. So just mark all those things in the figure. So here we know this is 30 degree. So opposite to 30 degree is 1 and opposite to 60 degree is root 3. So we got the height of this parallelogram as root 3 centimeter. Then how do you find the area? Area is equal to base into height, that is 4 into root 3. So what is the answer? 4 root 3 centimeter square. This is the area of the parallelogram. Yes, children, now moving on to next question, question number 8. Here the question is on page number 103, question number 3. So you can see the question here itself, page number 103, question number 3. So let me read the question. A rectangular board is to be cut along the diagonal. So here you can see a rectangular board and it is cut along the diagonal, and the pieces rearranged to form an equilateral triangle as shown below. So you got two triangles from here and they are rearranged to form an equilateral triangle. Okay, the sides of the triangle must be 50 centimeter. So we know, as this is an equilateral triangle and they are telling you the sides must be 50 centimeter. So this complete side, as it is an equilateral triangle, all the sides must be the same. Then what should be the length and breadth of the rectangle? What should be the length and breadth of the rectangle? So it's very interesting and very easy. Here you know, see, as they have cut and this is 90-degree portion, means you know that for sure there will be 190-degree portion here and here, and this is an equilateral triangle, so we know these two angles are 60-degree and this angle is also 60-degree, but if you draw a perpendicular then it becomes 30-degree and 30-degree. Okay, so if this is completely 50-degree, then how much is this side? Can I say it is 25 and 25? Okay, then here you can see again we have the combination as 30, 60 and 90. 1 is to root 3 is to 2. What is the side opposite to 90-degree? 50. Then what is the side opposite to 30? Half of 50, 25. Then what is opposite to 60-degree? 25 root 3. So I am marking this one as 25 root 3. Now let us see how we can mark this one. Here you can see, if you draw a line, we can easily understand that this angle is more. So this is 60-degree and this is 30-degree. Am I right? Okay. Yeah. And see here, this portion. How do we get this portion? I can say this side is 25. So this side is also 25. Then what about this side? Opposite to 60-degree, it is 25 root 3. So I am marking here 25 root 3. So if this side is 25, here also 25, here it is 25 root 3. Understood? If we just take this triangle portion and keep here, we can see that this is 25 and this part is 25 root 3. So we got the length of the rectangle as 25 root 3 and the breadth of the rectangle, sorry, the length as 25 centimeter and the breadth of the rectangle as 25 root 3 centimeter, or even either way you can write length as 25 root 3 and breadth as 25. Yes, children, now moving on to next question, question number 9, and that is question number 4 in page number 103. So here you can see page number 103, question number 4. Okay, this is that question. So let me read the question first. Two rectangles are cut along the diagonal. So here you can see two rectangles cut along the diagonals, and the triangles got are to be joined to another rectangle. So we will get 4 triangles from here, and these 4 triangles are joined with this one. Are joined with this rectangle to form a regular hexagon. Okay, then here you can see there is a line drawn like this and here like this. So hope it is very clear. These 4 triangles, they are joined to this rectangle and this hexagon is formed. Here you can see 4 triangles and this is our this original rectangle. If the side of the hexagon are to be 30 centimeter, then what would be the length and breadth of the rectangles? That is, if the side of this hexagon is 30 centimeter, then what must be the length and breadth of these rectangles? Okay, so I'm marking here. As it is regular hexagon, all the sides are 30-degree. And already in 9th standard we studied that as this is a 6-sided polygon, the total sum of angles by which formula? N minus 2 into 180, that is 6 minus 2 into 180, 4 into 180, which is equal to 720. 20 degree. So this is for 6 angles. 6 angles. Then for one angle, how much will be one angle? One angle will be 720 divided by 6, which is equal to 120 degree. Okay, so we got that. Next, see how I'm going to do this one. I'm just going to take the small portion here. See, all these angles must be how much degree? 120 degree. So if this is completely 120 degree, if we draw a perpendicular here and we know this is a regular hexagon, then how much will be this angle? It will be 60 degrees. So I'm just drawing that small triangle here. Okay, like this triangle I am drawing here. So this angle will be 60 degree and this is already 90 degree. Then how much is this angle? 30 degree. And we know one side is given, which is that side, this side. That is opposite to 90 degree is 30, 30, 60, 90. 1 is to root 3 is to 2. Opposite to 90 degree is given as 30. Then what will be opposite to 30 degree? Half of it. And opposite to 60 degree will be 15, then 15 root 3. So I am marking here the sides 15 root 3 and 15. Okay, so I am rubbing these shades now. So yeah, this part is 60 and this part is 30. So here this side will be 15 root 3. Then how much will be this side? This side also will be 15 root 3. This side is 30, then this side will be 15. This side, here it will be 15, here it will be 15 root 3, here it will be 15 root 3. This is how you will get. So from the figure itself we understood that this side of the rectangle is 30 and this side is how much is this side? 15 root 3 plus 15 root 3. 15 root 3 plus 15 root 3. So total how many root 3? 30 root 3. Okay, now moving on to this rectangle. Okay, 90 degree. So we got this portion. Okay, just see this portion 90 degree. This angle is 60 degree and this angle is 30 degree. So I am marking here 30 degree and 60 degree. So what is the side opposite to 60 degree? From the figure you can see it is 15 root 3. So I am marking here 15 root 3. And what is the side opposite to 30 degree? 15. So here also you will get the same thing, 15 and 15 root 3. So finally you can write the length of larger rectangle is equal to 30 centimeter and breadth of larger rectangle is equal to 30 root 3 centimeter, and then length of smaller rectangle is equal to 15 centimeter and breadth of smaller rectangle is equal to 15 root 3 centimeter. Yes children, now here the question is to calculate the area of this triangle. Okay, find the area of this triangle. So how can you find this one? We know area of a triangle is equal to half base into height. So here we know base is equal to 4 centimeter, but height we don't know, we have to find. So first of all I am drawing a perpendicular line like this, 90 degree, here also 90 degree. Then how much is here? 30 and here it will be 45. And this 4 centimeter is for complete figure. So we don't know what is the side of this triangle and we don't know what is the side of this triangle also. We just don't know anything. So as we don't know, and whenever we don't know anything, how we can find is x. Okay, 45 degree here and there. Okay, so here you can see that I am going to consider this side as x. So the side opposite to this 45 is x. We know the ratio is like this, 45 is to 90, 1 is to root 2. So here in this figure I am considering opposite to 45 as x. Then what will be the opposite to other 45? X only. 1 root 2 x root 2. So opposite to 90 degree will be x root 2, and opposite to this 45 is also x. Now moving on to this triangle. Okay, here we know the ratio is like this: 30, 60, 90. 1 is to root 3 is to 2. You have to write all these things in the notebook. Okay, now opposite to 60 degrees given as x. So who is head of x? Root 3. Okay, now 2 into x divided by root 3, and here 1 into x divided by root 3. So how can you find this one? 1 into x is x by root 3, here x only, here 2x by root 3. Just keep it here, because this is not our final answer. If this was our final answer, we could have changed this denominator root. Okay, so I am marking opposite to 30 degree as x by root 3, opposite to 30 as x divided by root 3. Okay, you have to mark all these things very clearly in the figure. Okay, now you can see that this portion, see this portion, total length is 4 centimeter, and we already got that x plus x root 3. I can write here x plus x by root 3 is equal to 4 centimeter, right? X plus x by root 3 is equal to 4. So as there is nothing means there is 1. Now denominators are different, so you know how to do this method. First you multiply the denominator. 1 into root 3 is root 3. Then x into root 3 is root 3 x plus 1 into x is x only, is equal to 4. Now bring this by root 3 to the other side. It becomes 4 root 3. 4 into root 3. 4 root 3. Okay. Now what is common here? X is common. I am taking x outside. Then what is remaining here? Root 3 is remaining here. If nothing is there means there is actually 1 is equal to 4 root 3. Okay. Now x, we have to find the value for x. So x into root 3 plus 1. So you can write it into will become in the denominator. Okay. Now you can see that it is 4 root 3 divided by root 3 plus 1. So already 9th standard we studied how to factorize this one. So whenever there is root in the denominator like this, you have to multiply with their opposite sign like this, root 3 minus 1. Understood? So how can you do this one? Just multiply these two. Okay, you will get 4 root 3 into root 3 minus 1. See these things. Okay, just multiplying 4 root 3 into root 3 minus 1, and this one is a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square, a square minus b square. So how do you write this one now? Is equal to, okay, is equal to 4 into root 3 into root 3 is 4 into root 3 into root 3 minus again 4 root 3 into 1, that is 4 root 3 itself, divided by square and root cancels, then you have 3 minus 1, okay, which is equal to, okay, just wait, don't write, 4 root 3 into root 3 minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. So you can write here 4 root 3 into root 3 minus 1 divided by how much is 3 minus 1? 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Okay, 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Now this 2 and this 4 can be cancelled. Now what is remaining? 2 root 3 into root 3 minus 1. Next, 2 root 3 into root 3. 2 root 3 into root 3 minus 2 root 3 into 1. 2 root 3 itself. Next, root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 into 2 is 6 minus 2 root 3. This is the value of your x. Understood? So we got 6 minus 2 root 3 as x. Who is that one? That is actually the height of the uh, triangle. Okay, so I'm marking here. We got x is equal to 6 minus 2 root 3. So I'm marking here now 6 minus 2 root 3. Need not mark in the figure, it's okay. So what is area of the triangle formula? Half base into height. What is the base of the triangle? 4 centimeter, and height of the triangle is 6 minus 2 root 3. Now this 2 and 4 can be cancelled. So what is remaining? 2 into 6 minus 2 root 3. So how much is 2 into 6? 12 minus 2 into 2, 4 root 3. So this is the answer, centimeter square. Okay, I just multiplied the bracket, open the bracket. So 2 into 6 is 12 minus 2 2s are 4 root 3 centimeter square, and this is the area of the triangle. Okay. Yes children, now here you can see, find the circumradius of an equilateral triangle of sides 8 centimeter. So here I have drawn, the figure is not given actually in the question, so I have drawn one equilateral triangle and marked all the 8 centimeter side. Now find the circumradius. So how do you find the circumradius? That is where the medians touch. Medians means what? From this vertex to the opposite midpoint. This is the opposite middle point. Now this is the middle point of this side, and here this is the middle point. Okay, so if all the midpoints of the sides are joined to the opposite vertex, you can see that all will pass through one point, and this point is known as the circumradius. Understood? That is, if an imaginary circle is drawn like this, this one we will study in another chapter, so I'm not going into the details. If a circle is drawn like this point will be the center or center of the circle. Understood? So these lines are known as radius, circumradius. So now here we know that if this is 8 centimeter, then this one and this one will be 4 centimeters, and then this is 90 degree. Then as this is an equilateral triangle, we know half of this one will be 30 degree. Am I right? 60 60. So both these angles will be 30 30. So in this triangle, if one angle is 30 and one angle is 90, then the remaining angle will be 60. So I'm just taking that small portion here now. 90 degree, 60 degree and 30 degree. So which side is given here? You can see that opposite to 60 degree is given. So 30 is to 60 is to 90. What is the ratio? 1 is to root 3 is to 2. So opposite to 60 degree is given as 4, and head of 4 is root 2. So how can you do this one? 4 into 2, 8 divided by this head number, that is root 3. Similarly, 1 into 4 is 4 divided by root 3. Understood? So what is that? I can mark like this. 4 by root 3 means 4 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. Similarly here, 8 by root 3 means into root 3 divided by root 3. Center 4. So here I can rewrite this one as 4 root 3 divided by 3. 4, 8 root 3 divided by 3. Actually, whom do I want? I just want only this portion. That is the radius, circumradius. So I want just this portion. Okay, so how much it is opposite to 90 degree? How much it is opposite to 90 degree is 8 root 3 by 3. So that is the answer. So finally you can write the circumradius is equal to 8 root 3 by 3 centimeter. Okay, so by this we completed this part of the chapter. So let's meet in another video. Thank you.